In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change canvas color in Figma. We'll start right in the browser, head over to figma.com and sign in so you can access your work. Once you're in, you'll land on your files and teams. To make this easy, open your complete view of work by clicking All Projects. This shows every project you have access to, so you can quickly get to the design you want to update. Next, pick the project that contains the file you want to adjust and click to open it. Inside that project, choose the design file you're working on so it opens in the editor. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your canvas in the center, the layers on the left, and the properties panel on the right. Now let's focus on where the canvas color lives. Look over to the right side of the screen, the properties panel. If it's showing details for a selected layer or frame, you won't see the canvas settings yet. A quick tip, click on an empty area of the canvas away from any frames or objects. When nothing is selected, the panel switches to show the page level controls. Here you'll see the canvas or background section. You should see a small color swatch labeled background. Click on that color swatch to open the color picker. This is where you control the canvas color for your file. The color picker lets you drag the selector to find a hue, adjust brightness and saturation, or type in a precise value if you have a specific brand color. If you prefer hex codes or RGB, you can enter those directly for an exact match. Choose the color that best complements your design. If you're working with light UI elements, a darker canvas can help you judge contrast more accurately, while a lighter canvas can make dark components more readable. As you pick a color, keep an eye on how your frames look against it so you maintain good accessibility and visual balance. Once you're happy with your choice, click outside the color picker to close it. The canvas updates immediately, and that background applies across the file for the current page. If you ever need a different background just for a specific frame, remember that's separate. Select the frame and adjust its fill in the same right-hand panel rather than changing the overall canvas. That's it. You went to figma.com, opened all projects, selected your project, and from the right-hand page section, clicked the color and selected a new canvas background. Simple, fast, and a great way to present your designs with the right context.